Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations, back again with another video. Today I'm going to do a twist and twirl, where I twist it but a little differently this time. So I'm going to pour down my base coat, which is going to be white, and then I'm going to take my little tool that is right here. Just so that you can use a little piece of cup, you can use a little tiny cup or whatever you have that has two holes in it. And that is strong enough to twirl. Colors I'm going to be using is 24 Karat by Deco Art, Grumbacher Phthalo Yellow Green, Pebeo Very Blue Iridescent, Folk Art Purple Flash, some Golden Turk, this is Golden Phthalo Turquoise, yeah, Turquoise Phthalo, Golden Anthraquinone, finally can figure out how to say that, possibly some Pebeo Violet Blue Iridescent, and Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple. Alright, so I'm going to flood my canvas with white and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back and I flooded my canvas. I'm just going to have some bubbles in the hair. Let's see. I see some big gloppy mess in there. What that was. And I thought I saw a hair. Yep, right there. Little. Can't get it. Got it. Okay. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to put this time I'm going to go right in the middle. So I'm going to start on this end. All right, and then I'm just going to start putting in my colors. I will show you a little bit, and then I'll speed it up. So there's the purple, Dioxazine Purple, the Pebeo Violet Blue, pretty color. I'm going to go in with the Pebeo Very Blue Iridescent and a little gold. And you're just layering them, okay? And then you're going to twist it up, up. All right, and put it down. All right, so I'm going to speed this up and get to the end, okay? All right, I am back. Really pretty. So basically I just took the colors really in no specific order. I kind of know by intuition what colors are going to mix well with other colors. I know that always the navy blues and the greens and the purples always look gorgeous together. The gold gives it the cells because there is no silicone in any of my paint, but look at all these cells. Well, this is also from the Floetrol on the white. So I'm going to now get a piece of paper towel. I'm going to wipe off my little piece of PVC, and first I'm going to stretch it out a little bit, just a tad. This is really cool right in here. All right, just a little bit. Okay. Let's see. Do I want to? All right. So now I'm going to twirl it out. Okay. And you can start anywhere. I usually start where I started before, and I'm going to twirl it. wiping off your tool each time. Okay, and sorry about that. I got a phone call. Forgot to turn off my Bluetooth or my airplane mode. Turn on my airplane mode. Okay, so I didn't do any more because it rang and I stopped. So I'm going to speed it up so you can see what I do, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. So you saw me twirling it. I am really happy with the way this came out. So I wanted it to be like a little thinner here, and then as it to like kind of get three-dimensional come out. Some really, really, really cool things happening over here. I'm really happy with this. I like it. So what happens is sometimes you drip little driplets. So what I do is I just take my finger and my white and I just dab them out. And it's okay if you have a couple little ones. It doesn't really matter. There's my cat. She wants to come in my art room and she's not. So, you know, and if you have a little white, just dab them out with a little bit of white on your finger. Okay. That's all. But I'm really happy with this one. This is really pretty. Really pretty. And I will bring it down at the end to see all the cool effects going on. But so this is basically it's an open cup pour, and instead of just letting the cup move by itself, you're kind of twirling it. You're twirling it out and letting a little bit of the paint out each time till you get to, you know, either the other end of the canvas or wherever you want the color to be. And then after you're done, you twirl it, and you're just taking it in a twirling motion and twirling it out very lightly, almost like skimming the surface with the paint and just taking it up like this. And that causes the colors that's underneath to come out and to swirl into the other colors, and that's how you get the mixture of the colors. I love this technique. I do it pretty often, and I doubt I invented it. I just maybe I do it a little differently than somebody else that does it. I think this looks beautiful. I'm just going to blow it out a little bit so it goes over the side here. There you go. So anyway, if you're new here and you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe. My channel, I just started my channel about a month ago, and I'm already at like, I don't know, 220 subscribers. And so as long as it keeps growing, and I was thinking maybe at 500 I'll give away a painting. Figure all the logistics out, or the rules and all that later. But so like, subscribe so I can get to the 500 and give away a painting to some lucky person out there. Any questions, please comment below. And that's probably about it. I'll be back soon with another video, and I hope you liked it. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.